Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s to the power of a, we can put into s to the power of 3 with s to the power of 3 and s to the power of 2 because 3 plus 3 plus 2 you got about a in here. And this one I can put into s to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now, we need to put the power 3 for the both sides because I want to cancel about the root. So this one you got about s to the power of 3 minus 1. Because we still have about s to the power of 3 in here. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left. And we have u to the power of 3 plus 1 equals to s to the power of 3. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides in here. So first derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared ds. This is about the constant, so when we do first derivative, you got about 0. Next, we divide both sides by number 3. And we got like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to the cubic root of number 2. So we put this one go in here. So we have 2 minus 1. After we put the power 3 in here, you got about 1. The cubic root of number 1, you got about 1 in here. When s equals to the cubic root of number 8. So we put this one go in here. So we have number a minus 1 and you got about 7. So u equals to the cubic root of number 7 in here. Now this one we change by u. This one we change by u to the power of 3 plus 1. S squared ds we change by u squared du. This one we change by number 1. This one we change by the cubic root of number 7. Now, we need to simplify u squared divided by u. You got about u in here. And now, we need to expand this one. So u multiplied by 1, u to the power of 3 and u to the power of 6. So we have u to the power of 4 and u to the power of 7. Now, the integration of u to the power of 7, we have u to the power of 8 over 8. The next one is about u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one is about u squared over 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to this one. Now we put the value cone here. So we have number 1 and number 1. So we calculate about this one in here. We have 41 over 40 And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.